Welcome back, coin collectors and hidden treasure hunters. Today we're diving into one of the most legendary and valuable coins in American history, the Morgan $1 coin. These large silver dollars are more than just old money. Some rare examples have sold for hundreds of thousands, and even over $1 million at auction. Depending on the year, mint mark, and condition, a single Morgan dollar could turn a small discovery into a life-changing find. In this video, we'll break down the top 3 most valuable Morgan $1 coins, explore their history, unique features, and reveal their current market value. Let's get started. First up, the Morgan silver dollar, dated 1892, with the S mint mark. This coin is a masterpiece of design, a tangible piece of history, and a true collector's dream with the potential to make fortunes in today's action-driven market. The Morgan silver dollar is a cornerstone of U.S. coinage, and the 1892's issue occupies a special place within this celebrated series. Minted at a time when the American economy was flourishing and silver was a symbol of national prosperity, this coin carries not just intrinsic value in silver, but immense historical significance. The year 1892 falls within a fascinating period in U.S. history, bridging the closing of the frontier and the rapid growth of industry. Coins from this era were not simply currency. They were a symbol of progress, confidence, and the expansion of the nation. The 1892's Morgan dollar reflects that energy in its very design. The S mint mark indicates it was struck at the San Francisco Mint, a facility renowned for producing coins with exceptional quality and eye appeal. Collectors know that San Francisco Morgans often exhibit strong strikes, sharp details, and surfaces that have aged beautifully over time, which makes this issue highly desirable. The design of the Morgan dollar is universally admired for its artistry. On the obverse, Lady Liberty's profile, complete with flowing hair and a coronet inscribed with Liberty, embodies strength and grace. The reverse features a bold, proud eagle clutching arrows and an olive branch, symbolizing power and peace. Every detail in the 1892's Morgan is a testament to George T. Morgan's vision and skill. One of the most captivating aspects of this coin is how it wears over time. Circulated examples carry the marks of history, slight wear, subtle toning, and natural patina that add character and authenticity. These features are highly prized in today's market, as collectors increasingly value originality over artificial shine. Color and tone play a key role in visual appeal. Many circulated 1892's Morgans display rich silver-gray hues that tell a story of age, handling, and preservation. This natural beauty enhances the coin's individuality, making each example unique and desirable. Despite being circulated, the coin retains strong design elements that appeal to collectors. Liberty's facial features, the feathers on the eagle, and the inscriptions all remain clear, showing the quality of the original strike and the resilience of San Francisco minting techniques. Rarity in the collector market is often about more than low numbers. For the 1892's Morgan, scarcity in well-preserved condition drives competition. Coins that have survived in very fine to extremely fine condition are increasingly rare, which keeps the market energetic and aggressive. Collectors are particularly drawn to any examples that show exceptional detail, strong strikes, or hints of unusual mint characteristics. These subtle differences can elevate an ordinary coin into a premium collectible that commands top dollar. The Morgan silver dollar's history also enhances its demand. Each coin witnessed the economic and social transformations of the late 19th century, from booming mining towns to the rise of major American cities. Owning one is like holding a piece of that historic journey in your hands. Circulated 1892's Morgans appeal to both seasoned and emerging collectors. They are accessible enough for those beginning their collections, yet significant enough to hold value for advanced numismatists, offering a perfect balance of affordability and potential upside. The action market for Morgan dollars remains vibrant. Auctions, private sales, and dealer transactions consistently show strong interest in coins from this era. The 1892's issue, with its San Francisco provenance, is no exception, frequently drawing multiple bids and premium prices. Current market trends confirm the strength of this coin's appeal. Well-preserved circulated examples are regularly selling for impressive sums, and those with exceptional eye appeal or rare die varieties can reach values far beyond expectations. This is a coin that continues to grow in recognition and worth. Professional certification can dramatically enhance the market value of a 1892's Morgan. Graded coins gain credibility and visibility, opening doors to collectors who prioritize authenticity and verified condition, which in turn elevates auction results. Preservation and careful handling are critical. Coins that maintain natural surfaces without harsh cleaning, scratches, or corrosion consistently outperform others. Collectors today place a premium on these characteristics, especially for historic pieces like the 1892 S. Morgan. The coin's historical and intrinsic value make it an excellent candidate for long-term investment. As more collectors enter the market and fewer high-quality examples remain, the upward momentum for Morgan dollars is expected to continue. Stories of collectors discovering high-value Morgans have kept the market energized for decades. These tales remind collectors that opportunity still exists, and that detailed knowledge and patience can unlock tremendous rewards. The 1892 S. Morgan dollar also benefits from its legacy and iconic status. It belongs to one of the most collectible series in U.S. history, making it a must-have for serious numismatists seeking to build prestigious collections. Coins from the San Francisco Mint are often associated with stronger strikes and better surfaces, which adds to their desirability. This reputation ensures that collectors actively seek out the 1892 S, knowing they are acquiring one of the more visually appealing examples in the series. The Morgan dollar's weight, size, and silver content also contribute to its lasting appeal. Beyond historical and collector value, each coin contains real silver, which adds intrinsic worth and positions it as both a collectible and a tangible asset. Collector demand continues to rise for coins that combine history, rarity, and beauty. The 1892 S. Morgan dollar in circulated condition meets all these criteria, making it a constant focus of attention in the numismatic world. Patience and careful study can reveal hidden gems in circulation. Subtle details, such as sharpness of strike and surface tone, often distinguish high-value examples from ordinary ones. This adds excitement and challenge for collectors. The 1892 S. Morgan dollar is a perfect bridge between history and modern collecting. It connects the past with today's dynamic auction and dealer markets, proving that age does not diminish demand or relevance. Collectors seeking coins with the potential for significant returns recognize the 1892 S. Morgan as a serious contender. Its combination of historical importance, San Francisco origin, and enduring popularity ensures it will remain highly sought after. Next up, the 1882 Morgan silver dollar with the D mint mark. This coin is more than just a silver dollar. It is a piece of history, a collectible of immense beauty, and a coin that continues to attract serious attention in today's action-driven market. The Morgan silver dollar series holds a legendary status in the world of U.S. coinage, and the 1882 issue with the Denver mint mark stands out as a particularly captivating example. Produced during a time of economic growth and westward expansion, this coin carries a story that resonates with collectors and historians alike. The year 1882 is significant for a number of reasons. It reflects a period of American confidence, industrial advancement, and a burgeoning national identity. Coins from this era were not just currency. They were symbols of progress, trade, and stability. Owning one is like holding a tangible piece of that history. The D mint mark tells us that this coin was struck at the Denver Mint, a facility known for its high-quality strikes and beautiful coinage. San Francisco and Philadelphia may have had their reputation, but Denver coins from this period are often prized for their crisp details and attractive surfaces, making them a centerpiece for any serious Morgan collection. The design of the Morgan silver dollar is universally admired. George T. Morgan's work brought a new level of artistry to American coinage, with Lady Liberty portrayed on the obverse in flowing hair and a dignified expression, crowned with a coronet inscribed, Liberty. The reverse features a majestic eagle clutching arrows and an olive branch, representing strength and peace simultaneously. Circulated examples of the 1882 D. Morgan dollar carry the marks of history, telling stories of decades spent in commerce, trade, and pockets across the country. These subtle signs of wear add character and authenticity, traits that collectors increasingly value over artificially polished coins. Color and natural toning play a significant role in the appeal of Morgan dollars. Circulated 1882 D examples often display silver-gray shades that are both striking and unique, enhancing their visual appeal and making each coin truly one of a kind. Even in circulated condition, this coin retains strong design details. Liberty's face, the eagle's feathers, and inscriptions are all well-defined, demonstrating the quality of the original minting process at Denver. This makes it highly sought after in today's competitive market. Rarity in the collector market often depends on condition, and the 1882 D. Morgan dollar excels in that respect. While many were minted, Few survive today with surfaces and details that appeal to advanced collectors. This limited availability fuels strong demand and drives interest at auctions and private sales. Collectors are particularly drawn to coins that exhibit excellent strikes, attractive toning, and even minor die variations. These unique traits can elevate a seemingly ordinary coin into a high-value collectible that commands premium prices. The historical importance of the 1882 De Morgan dollar adds another layer of demand. Each coin carries the story of a nation undergoing rapid expansion, the rise of industrial America, and the use of silver as a key economic component. This historical connection enhances its value and appeal. Circulated examples remain especially desirable because they reflect authentic usage. Modern collectors appreciate coins that tell a story, and the 1882 De Morgan dollar in circulated condition does exactly that, showing both history and beauty in every detail. The action market for Morgan dollars remains energetic, and coins like the 1882 D continue to generate strong competition. Auctions and private sales consistently show that well-preserved examples attract multiple bids and can achieve impressive prices. Current market trends demonstrate that circulated 1882 De Morgans are commanding significant values, particularly those with eye-catching surfaces and strong details. Coins with professional certification often achieve even higher results, reflecting the growing interest in this historic series. Grading by professional services adds credibility and visibility, helping collectors identify top-quality examples and enabling sellers to achieve premium results. Certified 1882 De Morgans often command the highest prices in the marketplace. Preservation and careful handling remain critical for maximizing the value of Morgan dollars. Coins that retain their natural surfaces without cleaning, scratches, or corrosion consistently outperform those that have been mishandled. The coin's historical and intrinsic value makes it a strong candidate for long-term investment. As collector interest continues to grow and fewer high-quality examples survive, the upward momentum for coins like the 1882 De Morgan is expected to continue for years. Stories of collectors discovering high-value Morgans have fueled excitement for generations. These discoveries reinforce the idea that knowledge, patience, and attention to detail can yield substantial rewards in the numismatic world. The 1882 De Morgan dollar also benefits from its legendary series status. Morgan dollars are among the most collectible coins in U.S. history, and this particular date and mint mark hold a special place for serious collectors seeking to build prestige collections. San Francisco and Denver minted Morgans are often known for stronger strikes, but the Denver Mint in 1882 delivered coins with exceptional clarity and design integrity, which adds to their desirability and ongoing demand. Beyond collectability, the coin also holds intrinsic value due to its silver content. Each Morgan dollar contains nearly an ounce of silver, which adds a tangible asset component and strengthens its appeal as both a collectible and an investment. Collectors are increasingly seeking coins that combine historical significance, rarity, and beauty. The 1882 De Morgan dollar in circulated condition meets all these criteria, keeping it at the center of attention in the numismatic world. Patience and careful examination can uncover subtle details, such as die variations or strong strike points, which often distinguish high-value coins from more common examples. This investigative aspect adds excitement for dedicated collectors. The 1882 De Morgan dollar bridges history and modern collecting perfectly. It connects the late 19th century with today's active market, ensuring its relevance and desirability remain high for future generations. Collectors looking for coins with potential for high returns recognize the 1882 De Morgan as a premium opportunity. Its historical importance, mint mark, and enduring popularity make it a cornerstone piece for serious collections. For anyone aiming to build a prestigious collection or a strategic investment portfolio, the 1882 De Morgan dollar is a must-have. Its strong market performance, historical significance, and enduring appeal ensure it will continue to attract attention and maintain value. In conclusion, the 1882 Morgan silver dollar with the D mint mark is far more than a coin. It is a tangible connection to America's past, a collectible with lasting appeal, and a potential vehicle for significant financial gain. Its artistry, history, and strong market demand make it one of the most desirable coins for collectors and investors alike. Next up, the 1884 Morgan silver dollar with the D mint mark. This coin is a true masterpiece, offering collectors a chance to own a piece of history that continues to excite the market and attract serious investment attention. The Morgan silver dollar series is legendary, and the 1884 issue represents one of the prime examples of this celebrated coinage. Struck in an era when the United States was experiencing rapid growth, industrialization, and expansion, this coin is more than currency. It is a symbol of a dynamic and thriving nation. The year 1884 falls within a fascinating period of U.S. history. It was a time when silver dollars were not only used for commerce but also carried cultural and economic significance. Each coin from this era tells a story of a country building its future while holding strong to its traditions. The D Mint mark indicates this coin was produced at the Denver Mint, a facility renowned for producing some of the most visually striking and well-struck Morgan dollars. Coins from Denver are particularly prized for their detail, quality, and collector appeal, making this issue a highly desirable target for enthusiasts. George T. Morgan's design elevates this coin to an artistic marvel. On the obverse, Lady Liberty's profile is rendered with grace and precision, her hair flowing freely and adorned with a coronet inscribed, Liberty. The reverse depicts a powerful eagle holding arrows and an olive branch, a symbol of strength and peace combined, making every detail an object of admiration. Circulated examples of the 1884 D. Morgan dollar carry the history of decades in commerce and circulation. Each mark and tone tells a story, reflecting the coin's journey through time and adding authenticity that collectors value highly. Color and natural toning add another layer of appeal to circulated Morgans. Many 1884 D coins display a range of silver-gray shades, giving each example a unique presence that enhances its collector value and distinguishes it from others in the market. Even in circulated condition, this coin maintains strong design details that continue to captivate collectors. Liberty's facial features remain visible, the eagle's feathers are distinct, and inscriptions remain bold, reflecting the high-quality strikes from the Denver Mint. Rarity in the collector market is often driven by condition and survival rates. While many Morgan dollars were minted, few circulate today with surfaces and details that meet collector expectations. This scarcity in desirable condition drives the ongoing demand for 1884 D. Morgans. Collectors are especially attracted to examples that feature sharp strikes, attractive toning, and any minor minting variations. These unique characteristics can transform an ordinary coin into a premium collectible that commands significant attention in the marketplace. The historical importance of the 1884 D. Morgan dollar further fuels its demand. Each coin represents a period of American expansion and industrial growth, connecting modern collectors to a rich and exciting past. Owning one is like holding a tangible piece of history in your hands. Circulated examples are highly prized for their authenticity. The wear and patina tell the story of real-world use, giving the coin character and individuality, which are increasingly valued by collectors in today's market. The action market for Morgan dollars remains vigorous, with 1884 D examples consistently drawing attention. Auctions and private sales demonstrate that strong coins attract multiple bids, often resulting in impressive final prices that reflect the coin's enduring desirability. Current market trends show that circulated 1884 D Morgans are achieving remarkable dollar values. Coins with eye-catching surfaces and clear details can sell for well above standard expectations, reinforcing the idea that even circulated examples have serious investment potential. Professional grading can dramatically enhance the visibility and value of a 1884 D Morgan. Certified coins gain instant credibility among collectors, helping sellers achieve top-dollar results while giving buyers confidence in the authenticity and quality of their purchase. Preservation is essential for maximizing value. Coins that retain their natural surfaces, without harsh cleaning or damage, consistently outperform those that have been improperly handled. Originality is increasingly prioritized in today's market. The 1884 D Morgan dollar holds both historical and intrinsic value, making it a strong candidate for long-term investment. As fewer high-quality examples survive, the coin's upward momentum in collector demand is expected to continue. Stories of collectors discovering high-value Morgans keep the market energized. These real-world finds emphasize that knowledge, patience, and careful observation can yield substantial rewards, inspiring both novice and experienced collectors alike. The coin's legacy as part of the Morgan series adds further appeal. Recognized as one of the most collectible series in U.S. coinage, Morgan dollars have a built-in collector base that ensures sustained demand for issues like the 1884 D. Denver minted Morgans are often noted for their superior strike quality and strong details. This reputation ensures that the 1884 D remains a highly sought-after date, especially among collectors focused on acquiring coins with historical significance and aesthetic appeal. The intrinsic value of silver adds another layer of appeal to the 1884 De Morgan. Each coin contains nearly an ounce of pure silver, which provides tangible material worth and makes it both a collectible and an investment asset. Collector demand continues to rise for coins that combine rarity, historical significance, and visual beauty. The 1884 De Morgan dollar in circulated condition perfectly embodies these qualities, making it a focal point of interest in the numismatic world. Careful study and attention to detail can reveal unique characteristics in 1884 De Morgans, from sharpness of strike to subtle die variations. Identifying these traits can elevate a coin's value significantly and make it a prized piece in any collection. This coin serves as a bridge between history and the modern collector's market. It connects the industrial and economic growth of the late 19th century to today's dynamic auction and private sale environment, ensuring its continued relevance and desirability. Collectors seeking coins with strong potential for appreciation recognize the 1884 De Morgan as a must-have. Its combination of Denver mint quality, historical importance, and enduring popularity guarantees that it will remain in high demand for years to come. For anyone building a prestigious collection or seeking a strategic investment, the 1884 De Morgan silver dollar is an essential acquisition. Its historical significance, beautiful design, and strong collector demand ensure that it remains a coin of choice for both seasoned collectors and serious investors. In conclusion, the 1884 Morgan silver dollar with a D mint mark is more than just a coin. It is a symbol of American history, a collectible with extraordinary appeal, and a potential gateway to significant financial rewards. Its artistry, rarity, and enduring market presence make it one of the most desirable coins for collectors and investors alike.